Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about the November Bling bag. I received it yesterday and it has been sitting in front of me. I'm going to open it on camera in front of you guys like I always do. I don't know what is inside. It was gift wrapped, but I unwrapped it because I don't like wasting time in front of the camera unwrapping things. So the first thing that I see inside is this card. This month's theme is Marvelous Marbles. So this month's statement jewelry is based around marble stones. So I think all the jewelry will have some sort of a stone embellishment or something. So I'm very excited. The first thing that I see is bubble wrapped and this looks like a choker necklace. So I'm super excited because I love choker necklaces. And ooh, these look stunning. I think there are two here. I'm a little confused. Yeah, oh, there are two here. So I think you can wear them together if you want, or you can wear each of them individually. This is what they look like. This is what the first one looks like. Here is the pendant on the choker, as you can see. And even on the top, it has this open kind of design, which is really nice. And then the other one is also similar. So I think I'm going to try it on and show you what it looks like on. So this is what they look like individually. Of course, you can wear them together on your neck or on your head. It is completely up to you. This was going on my head. You must have seen that in my previous videos. If you're new here, I usually like to put necklaces on my head. But if you have been watching me, you know necklaces are always going on my head. So of course, this was gonna go on my head and this is how it looks like. And this would also look a lot better if you're not wearing something that is so high neck. But I think it looks really nice. Both of them still look so beautiful. I'm absolutely in love with this one, and I think this would also look really nice with a collared shirt, and you could put this under your collar and then you would just have these little stones peeking through, and I think that would look really chic and sophisticated, like add just a little bit of accessory to your plain shirt work outfit maybe. So this is what those look like. I think I'm gonna take this one off and keep that one on because I just love that one and I love wearing headpieces. Okay, now let's move on to the actual bag. As you can see, the bag is also marble themed, and there is a zip which I'm opening and then I'm digging inside. So the first thing I see looks like a bracelet and it looks pretty similar to the choker. The choker that I took off. I think it's meant to go together because it looks really similar to the choker. Yes, it is pretty similar to the choker. So this is what the bracelet looks like. I think it's so beautiful and so delicate. I love dainty, delicate pieces like this. I either love extremely bold and statement jewelry or something that is so beautiful and dainty like this. I'm gonna put it on my arm and show you what it looks like. Actually, I like wearing such bracelets somewhere like here, like around there, and then they fit, and I really like stacking up a lot of dainty bracelets and wearing something like this around here, not exactly on the wrist, if I'm making sense, because I like wearing bracelets further back on my arm than just on my wrist. I have a mesh bodysuit on, so you can't really see it that well, but if I was wearing no sleeves, I think this would look so beautiful, especially with a cocktail dress, and just stacking up a little bit of arm candy and delicate pieces like this look really nice, paired with watches and things like that. And even on their own, I think it's so beautiful. Look at that, it's absolutely stunning. I am in love. Let's see how much this was. So this bracelet is 599 rupees and I think the necklaces were 1199 rupees. So that's pretty much the value of the bag recovered, and both of these pieces are so stunning. So let's move on to the next piece. I have a stack of rings, I think. Yeah, and this also matches the pendant because I can see some green studs, which is so beautiful, and I don't have a lot of green jewelry, so this is super exciting. Oh, these are stackable rings, and I love that there are so many rings that I can stack. So let's just put these on and show you what they look like. Of course, you can stack them all in one finger, or you can wear them in 2 or 3 fingers, however you want. Here are what the rings look like. Of course, there are tens of different ways to stack them. You can wear them all in one finger, you can wear them in separate fingers, in separate hands. So there are tens of different ways you can stack these rings, but I think they add a really nice stackable kind of jewelry piece, and I love the green that matches with the necklace because I love wearing bold necklaces and bold head accessories with bold rings. That's just my style, and I think all of this would go really well together. Like, I could wear the bracelet and I could wear the rings and I could wear the necklace together and I wouldn't look over the top because all these pieces are so beautiful and dainty. Like, this is the kind of thing that you could stack and wear together and wear lots of jewelry and it still wouldn't look like you've done something over the top, because these are delicate, beautiful, statement, dainty pieces. They're not in your face, they're not too bold. You can wear all of them together and still not look trashy. I think all of them are beautiful. I love the ring, I love the necklace, and I love this dainty bracelet. So I think I have one more thing to go, and I think that is the last thing in my bag. Yes, it is. This is the last thing in my bag, and this looks like a pair of earrings. So they basically gave you an entire look, like a bracelet, rings, necklace and earrings, but these earrings are black and gold, so that's lovely. I love that. Oh my god, you guys, these earrings are absolutely gorgeous. They actually remind me of marbles and they have a little gold detail. They are so stunning. They definitely match the rings. I think they are super stunning. So I'm just gonna wear them and show you what they look like. So of course, by the end of a bling bag video, I'm always decked in jewelry, which I love. So this is what the earrings look like. I think they are super stunning. You guys, this month there hasn't been one product in my bling bag that I've been meh about. I absolutely love all the pieces in my bling bag this month. I love the earrings, I love the necklace, I love the rings, I love the bracelet. This bag is a total winner for me, and I think for 1500 rupees you cannot go wrong. You're getting 4 pieces. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box below. By the way, if you don't know what bling bag is, they're a monthly jewelry subscription service. You pay 1500 rupees and they give you 3 to 4 pieces of jewelry every single month, and as you increase your subscriptions you get a better deal. So if you get a 12-month subscription, you're gonna pay a lot less than 1500 rupees, and I think it's absolutely worth it because just look at the pieces. I think they speak for themselves, but I think the earrings would look absolutely gorgeous if you have your hair up in a ponytail or in a bun. And the headgear, I mean, do I even need to say anything about the headgear? You can see that it looks absolutely super stunning, especially with hair that is a little bit wavy and curly. I think the headgear would look so nice, and you can wear it to Indian weddings and functions and so many different occasions. I love the rings, they're beautiful stackable rings, and I love the dainty bracelet. So that's all that I got in my bling bag, and it was definitely a winner for me. Let me know which piece was your favorite, and if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I would love to have you back. Please subscribe to my channel. I post 1 to 2 videos a week, so you will not miss any of my future content like this, and I post makeup tutorials and hauls, reviews, fun stuff like this. So if you like my fashion and style, you can follow my social media. I'm gonna leave all the links on the screen, and it's also gonna be mentioned in the description box below. You can click over here and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.